Welcome. If you're tired of getting email notifications every time a popular pin pops up on Pinterest, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the quick and easy steps to turn off those notifications so you can keep your inbox clutter-free and focus on what matters most to you. Let's get started. First, make sure you have the Pinterest app open on your device. If you haven't updated the app in a while, it's a good idea to do so to ensure you have the latest features and settings. Once you're in the app, head over to your profile. You can do this by tapping on your profile picture, usually found at the top of the screen. This will take you to your personal Pinterest space, where you can see all your boards, pins, and account options. Next, look for the notification settings. You'll find this by tapping on your profile picture again at the top. This opens up your account menu, where you'll see an option labeled Notification. Tap on it to access all your notification preferences. Now, under the section called Pin Picks, you'll see an option for popular pins. This is the feature that sends you updates whenever a pin is trending or gaining a lot of attention. If you find these notifications distracting, it's time to make a change. Tap on Popular Pins. Here, you'll see different ways Pinterest can notify you about popular pins, including push notifications and emails. To stop getting emails, simply toggle off the email option. The switch should turn gray, indicating that email notifications for popular pins are now disabled. And that's it. You've successfully turned off email notifications for popular pins on Pinterest. From now on, you'll only get the updates you actually want, and your inbox will thank you. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.